So in this problem, tetrahedron given, dimension 60 long, rest with one of its vertical faces on HP with an edge perpendicular to VP. Okay, so it is cut by a section plane which is perpendicular to VP, so that the true shape of the section is an isosceles triangle of base 50 long, altitude 40. So in this problem they have not given any kind of dimensions for the cut plane. So instead of it, they are telling the true shape of the section will be an isosceles triangle of base 40 and altitude 40 Find the inclination of the section plane with HP and draw the front view, sectional top view and true shape of the section. So first we need to construct an tetrahedron here. Okay. Draw here. So here tetrahedron of dimension 60 you can see. So with one of its faces on HP with an edge perpendicular to VP. With an edge means like this we have to consider. So it should be perpendicular to VP. Okay. So we can take a little upward now. We have drawn. Take compass. Measure 60. Cut the arc. Okay. So mark the midpoint because it is a tetrahedron, it is a pyramid. Okay. So it's 60 means 30. We have to mark exactly the midpoint. So now draw 3 median lines here. Now I have to show only the slant edges here. Okay. So the remaining lines, remaining part of the lines, I'm going to erase it. Okay, we have to show only the slant edges here. Okay, I can mention here A, B, C, O and O1. And dimensions can show here. To 60. Now draw the projection lines to complete the front view. So in the front view, so in tetrahedron problem they will not give the axis length. Instead of it, you have to use this OC length. Here it is parallel to XY. Okay, that means from here we have to cut the arc for 60 Okay, so I think already we have measured the arc for 60. So take 60 arc and cut it. I join it. Okay, so this is B dash, this is E dash, C dash, O1 dash and O dash. This is having a length of 60 okay. Okay, done. Now you can see it is cut by a section plane which is perpendicular to VP, so that the true shape of the section is a isosceles triangle of base 50 long and altitude height and altitude 40. So in this problem So we need to draw one here as a triangle of base 50. So here I'll be drawing one line. So this is having a, so base side is length I'm going to show here for isosceles triangle problem, isosceles triangle. So that is 50. So this is point number 1, this is point number 2. So we want to project it. Okay, so by projecting it, I think this is 1 dash, this is 2 dash, right? So after this, okay, you can see altitude, height of 40 mm. So you have to take a compass. So measure 40 mm from the scale. Okay, then keep at this 1 dash and cut the arc. So then you join it. So this is what your section line. Okay, line 2 dash, line 2 dash, line 2 dash, and a thick line. Okay, so yes, this is yes. Okay, so now after this we have to take one parallel line here. Okay, here this one y1. Now this is your point number 3 dash. Okay, just we project it downward, and here we get it, this is point number 3. Now you join it, this is what you get, sectional top. Okay, so I can shade it. Okay, so now, so using protractor can mark the 90-degree points here. Okay, okay, so now you have to measure these distances. Okay, so this is q1, this is q2, this q3. Okay, by taking compass we are going to measure the distance. Okay, so this is q1. Okay, and this is q2. Some here will cut, no problem, I will extend, and 3 I'm getting here. So we just going to extend these lines. Okay, this is our 2, 1, this is 3. Just we need to join it like the O shape. Okay, shade it. So that completes the, if we just measure the distance, so it is exactly having a length. So if you try to connect, length of 50, okay. So this is how we have completed the problem, right? And this is sectional top view. This is true shape of the section. Now we have to find out the angle here. Okay, how much angle it is having it. So it is having an angle of 8 degree here. First I will draw one straight line, and then it is easy to find out the angle. Okay, so it is having an angle of 8 degree. Okay, so this completes the problem.